If you want to download free themes on OPPO Find X9, then in that case what you can do is we can go to the app drawer and then find the theme store. So let's open the app over here. Of course, we will need to grant some permissions to be able to use the app. And now in here we should be able to find some free themes if you just scroll down in the home section, or you can just go to themes over here in order to try to find a theme for yourself. You can also go through categories, of course, in order to try to find something specific. So in my case, let's say that I'm gonna try to use this theme over here. Now in order to use it, we just can tap on the apply button over here. And now let's wait for the theme to be downloaded. Once it is, of course, we need to use an OPPO account to be able to actually get the theme. Alright, and once we sign into an OPPO account, then we should be able to also choose what we want to use over here. So we can, for example, exclude icons in this case. We can also choose if you want to apply to the wallpaper to the home screen, lock screen, or just lock screen, or if you don't want to apply at all. And then we can just tap on apply once we are ready. And there we go, we have a new theme. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.